Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings so you can change wallpaper sync at the source. Press Windows plus I, then go to Accounts and choose Sync Settings or your info. You need to be signed into the Microsoft account that controls Bing Wallpaper, otherwise changes won't propagate. Once done, turn off any sync option that mentions theme, wallpaper, or personalization so the Bing image won't reapply across devices. This prevents cloud overrides and prepares the system for the next local steps. Next, you remove or neutralize the Bing Wallpaper app to stop automatic updates. Open Settings right arrow Apps and Features, locate Bing Wallpaper or the Bing app, and choose Advanced Options or Uninstall. If you prefer keeping the app, make sure to disable background app permissions and background activity. This prevents periodic wallpaper pushes. Also check Task Scheduler and Startup to disable any Bing-related tasks so the app cannot restart and reapply images. Doing this stops the service that fetches daily Bing photos. Finally, you set a local wallpaper to replace Bing images permanently. Right-click the desktop, choose Personalize right arrow background, pick Picture or Slideshow, and select a file from your PC. Set fit as needed. Make sure sync remains off so cloud settings don't overwrite. If the image keeps reverting, check browser extensions and disable any Bing/wallpaper add-ons. Also inspect Task Scheduler and the registry for Bing wallpaper entries to delete. One tip: reboot after uninstall to confirm changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.